Right over here we got dog parking, y'all. Check it out. You park your dogs. Yeah. I never saw that before. There you go. You live and you learn. It's really busy up here. My goodness. Wow. I didn't even see this place last time. It's like really, really busy. Like a circus, man. I think we have to go straight. We have to go straight up, I think.
Yeah.
Really crazy busy.
There is a jazz music.
Yeah. I'm not interested in bubble tea though. Busy place. Busy place. Yeah, this place is new, man. I didn't discover this last time. Yeah, I saw it already.
So, living for the things of this life is meaningless because you can't keep it with you forever.
This girl is obsessed with Dr. Martin, people. She's a Dr. Martin's
What is the purpose of life? Now, is this life meaningless? What is the purpose? Focus on it.
I see it, baby. I think.
Yeah, I see too. Thank you very much.
Exit. It's not actually. What the hell is going on?
Like, yeah.
This is crazy. It said 5 minutes. 5 minutes away.
Yeah, but we don't walk 5 minutes.
Haribo. Oh, this boy singing Bob Marley. Boy, it's bad. Boy, it's bad, man.
Big love to every one of you. Make some noise for Leonardo.
Leonardo is wicked, boy. Yeah, I've seen him on YouTube, this guy singing. Yeah, he's always there. I see the place. Can you see it? No.
No.
Straight ahead up there on the left. This is the place. This place is the place, yeah. Action station.
Ready for start with the show. Guys, everybody please come closer, okay? Just right up to the beautiful water with the water line on the floor. Don't be shy, we don't want to disturb the walkways or any businesses, alright? Here we go. Don't be shy, the big bodyguard, here we go. Alright, let's try this, let's test the clock. Hello everybody! Some of us. Guys, let's try that again. Hello, everybody! Guys, we have a beautiful show for you today. And this show we have a
Primark. Yes, man. Full dress. We love that. Yes. Wicked. Fully dressed. Shocking out. If this is not it, I give up. Yeah, really.
Oh no, I came back.
So where is that? That's the forehead. I mean, down there, I saw the sign. I don't see it no more. That's the market I was talking about over there. Of course. Jah always take me to whatever I'm looking for, man.